Hi guys, good afternoon. So today is January 25, 2021. So it's been what, like few months since I uploaded a video which in there's like an interaction or that I talk to you. But anyways guys, so this will be my first vlog in this year wherein I actually talk to you. But before anything else, I would like to welcome our new supporters, and also thank you so much for all my friends and to those who support me, even if I was gone for like a couple of months. But again guys, if you're new here and you don't know me yet, my name is giaclord and welcome to my channel. So today is Monday here in Nebraska, USA, and unfortunately we have a snowstorm which is not so good or not really good. So our company decided to cancel not all, but the company decided to cancel my shift, which is second shift, just to be safe. So and today I'm just here at home. I have nothing else to do except maybe cleaning a little, and though I don't have work today, but I decided to finish some work stuff that I kept postponing. Here you go guys, this is our outside castle. Do you see? That's not, oh my goodness. See how tanga I am. I wear my in-house slippers outside. Good thing it did not stick. So wait guys, we have to Castle, stop it. There he goes. See? Napakano niya. So kukuha muna tayo guys ng slippers for outside. Castle, do you want to go outside? Do you want to go party? Come here. Go party. So, ito siya guys. Ngayon, ito yung ano namin, porch. So, ito yung package kanina guys na nasa labas. I-open natin ito mamaya. Yeah, I'll have 2 boxes to unbox later. Well, it's not really an unboxing video. It's just like sort of vlogging guys kasi nga I'm bored and it's been a long time. So yon, ganun ka bad yung situation outside guys, so no wonder our company canceled it. It's, I don't know in the other cities, but sabi nila it will be worse here in Omaha or yeah, Plattsmouth, mga Karatig City. Yun yung sabi nila. So it's already like almost 4 p.m. Wala pa akong kain. I kind of woke up, yung bang pagising-gising ako like around 9 and then went back to sleep and then 10:30. But then I decided to get out of bed at 2 p.m. So ganyan ako katamad. Siguro. So yun ngayon, I'll prepare some food which is like leftover sa amin kagabi kasi nag-decide yung hubby ko na magluto ng barbacoa. It took him 1.5 days to kinda like prepare it. Masarap naman siya. So yun yung kakainin ko ngayon. And then I have 1 black coffee. Yeah, cause I'm trying to kinda lose weight guys, cause believe me or not, I gained 15 pounds for 9 months. So it's kinda a big deal for me kasi I love to dress up, but if I'll gonna be keep gaining weight, baka wala na akong may susuot. Diba? So yun, mag-prepare lang ako ng food guys, then I'll eat it, and then I'll do a little bit of editing para naman may ma-upload ako this week. Then also, I'm gonna be filming another food cooking later on para sa dinner ko. So, yun. Ito ang buhay dito sa Amerika, guys. Pag walang mailuluto, microwave yung hahanap-hanapin. Or sa microwave na lang lulutuin. But itong sa akin naman, guys, is iinitin ko lang yung pagkain namin kagabi para naman may makain ako. Prepare ko lang po yung pagkain ko. Ito po yung tortilla. Tapos ito naman yung yellow rice. At ito naman yung barbacoa, which is more on cow's face. Then, meron ako ditong lime. And then, yung Louisiana hot sauce. So, ito yung pagkain ko ngayon. So, first, kukunan ko ng ito, barbacoa. Ito siya. Gusto ko yung, pala namin to guys, slow cook for like 8 hours. Para maging sobrang malambot talaga siya. Ayun. Iano ko lang siya dyan. Nilagay ko siya dyan. Yan. And then, maglagay ako ng kaunting rice. Ito siya. Kaunting rice. Parang hindi siya mainit. So, yan siya. Yan. I minimize rice, guys, as much as possible. So, yan siya. And then, lagyan ko ng lime. Yan. Ito na po siya ngayon. Yan po siya yung kakainin ko. I-fold ko lang siya. Parang taco lang din. Yan siya. So, yan. Yan na yung pagkain ko ngayon. So, ito yung parang breakfast slash lunch ko. Siguro may dinner na din to. So, yan po siya, guys. Kain tayo. Hi, guys. Tapos na po akong kumain. So, hindi ko siya naubos. So, yan pa siya. Yan siya. So, hindi ko naubos yung 4. So, siguro mamaya-maya na pang snack ko na rin. Ewan ko mag-snack pa ako sobrang late na siya for snack. So, yung gagawin ko, maglinis-linis lang muna ako. Actually, tinatamad talaga ako, guys. But anyways, let's open the box that we received today. And then, that one box over there, na-receive ko siya last Saturday, but I cannot open it kasi nandito yung asawa ko. So, yun, i-unbox lang natin yung 2 box. Yan na lang siguro. Actually, guys, nagpapa-deliver ako ng loya. Kasi hindi nga ako makakalabas due to bad weather, which is, unfortunately, hanggang ngayon. So, nagpapa-deliver ako, guys. Parang, yung Instacart siya, tapos mag-order ka lang ng kung ano-anong ipapabili mo sa tindahan, tapos sila na yung mag-deliver sa inyo. So, yan siya ngayon, guys. Ayun ako nakikita nyo, medyo yung salamin. Yan sa labas. Kasi hindi na makikita yung hagdan, guys. Oh my goodness. Yan yung hagdan. So, yan siya. Nag-i-snow pa rin. Nag-i-snow pa rin dito. So, yun. The reason kung bakit bumalik ako sa pag-vlog is na-miss ko lang siya, actually. Na-miss ko yung mag-vlog in a sense na kumikita naman ako before. Yes, kumikita ako. Every month siya. Kaya lang I stopped kasi nga there's like major changes sa buhay namin, sa buhay ko, especially sa buhay ko. I got so busy and then yung time sa pag-i-edit, medyo naapektuhan siya. Hindi na ako makapag-edit, yung ganun. So yun, na-stop ko siya. Which I felt bad din naman kasi the reason, isa sa mga rason ko bakit ako nag-stop is that feel ko wala namang nanonood sa video ko. Then, feel ko parang napaka-trying hard ko. Magustuhan ng mga tao yung video ko. Tapos, hindi ko naman alam kung paano ako nagsimula. Gusto ko lang. Parang gusto ko lang gawin to. And then, I realized na it's getting into me. It's like, I feel burdened. I feel pressured. I feel so stressed because I think that it's not enough or no one's gonna notice me. No one gonna watch my videos, something like that. And then just lately when I watch vlogs, I was like, if my mindset would be centered like just for sharing, maybe it would be better. Yung bang parang feel ko na, cause one thing that also, isang rason kung bakit gusto kong bumalik is like, because of my family in Philippines, because of my youngest sister, sabi niya, why did you stop YouTube? Why did you stop vlogging? You could have just vlogged your life in America. So yun yung parang nag-encourage sa akin. Oh yeah, I could do that. Yung parang ganun, yung parang, oh nga, so, from that time, na-realize ko like, okay, I'll do it in my way. I'll do it like, yung bang parang, kasi gusto ko. So, my channel, from now on, my channel will be like a diverse kind. So, I don't have a niche. I will not focus on only one niche. So, it's gonna be like, siguro complicated siya. Pero gusto kong, yung channel ko mismo, parang ako. Yung bang, yes, I don't stick on only one. Like, only one interest. So, like, my interest will be, how do you say that? Like, paiba-iba siya. So, I want it to be more me. Not burdened, stress-free, not so pressured. Yung bang parang ganun. So, gusto ko sa channel na to is parang more on sharing. What's my life here in America? Kasi most people doesn't know about that. Most people want to know it. Want to know kung, siguro may mga kakilala ko before, or especially yung family ko, gusto nilang malaman na, kamusta na ako dito, ano ba talaga yung buhay ko dito. Gusto kong i-share sa inyong lahat na kung paano ba mamuhay dito sa Amerika. It's like in my sharing my life. I cannot promise to be open and everything because may pagka-private din naman kami, especially my husband. So, I will only choose what to share to you. Kung may mga tanong kayo regarding this, regarding that, as long as I can answer, sasagutin ko po. But it will not be like as open as kung sino man yung mga vlogger na kilala natin na yung mga ganon. So, hindi po siya ganon ka-open. I-share ko lang kung ano yung gusto ko. So, yun yung gusto kong magiging channel ko this 2021. So, hopefully guys, you will still support me. And regarding product review, I will still do it. And yeah, in my way. So, kumbaga walang deadline, walang pressure. Parang ano na siya, carefree. So, yun yung gusto ko. So, ito guys, medyo maano siya, medyo mabigat. I-open natin. Alam niyo guys, okay, aminin ko, hindi may pagka-hoarder talaga ako. Pero most of the things na hino-hoard ko is, iniisip ko guys, okay, para to sa Pinas. So, meron ako dito siyang Victoria's Secret na, ano siya, crew neck. Parang, full over shirt siya. So, long sleeve kung tinatawag natin. So, ito siya, Victoria's Secret. So, meron din akong ditong lotion. And may pinadala silang 20 off 50 purchase. So, parang coupon na din siya. So, pag halimbawa, ano ba yun? Pag halimbawa, purchase ako ng $50, so, I'll get at least $50, so I'll get $20 off. So, parang ganun. So, ito lang guys, yung mga laman nila. Lotion, body lotion, yung ganun. Tapos, mist. Yan. So, ito naman yung para sa UGG protector. Ito naman guys is yung, I think yung jogger. Tapos, more full over, how do you say, long sleeve, full over sweat shirt. Tapos, meron akong biniling underwear for my sister. Hi guys! It's already 7:34 p.m. ng gabi. So, yung ginawa ko lang maghapon is nililisan ko yung tambak dun sa second room namin, yung ginawa namin storage. So, I sort out dun yung mga Victoria's Secret na pinamili ko. Papadala ko yun sa Pinas. Then, so yun, kukuha muna ako ng snow boots sa baba, guys. Para naman, may ano ako, may maisusuot ako. Ano yung mga sapatos ko, guys. Yan siya. Castle, go. Come on, go. Ayan, guys. Ito na yan siya. So, need kong pumunta dun sa garage kasi iniwan ng asawa ko yung lights. Oh my God. thickness. It's so deep. Nakabalik na kami guys sa loob. Grabe. Hindi naman masyadong malamig, pero yung snow, grabe talaga. Taga-tuhod ko na siya. So, end ko na yung vlog dito guys. It's almost 8 PM na. So, sikasuhin ko muna yung trabaho ko, which is yung performance review at saka yung attendance ng team ko. And most of all, mag-i-edit ako para naman may ma-upload ako. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!